Hi, class. Well, welcome to week three. I'm really been enjoying seeing what you all are posting, the discussions we're having. I'm just really happy so far. So keep up the good work. Uh, we are kind of moving these first few weeks. I hope you're kind of figuring out what's happening here. We did fiction, and now we're going to move from fiction to playwriting, which is a really different form of writing uh, that is requires it has a lot of the same elements as fiction, but requires some different techniques and approaches, and it's a lot more concentrated. And so even if you think you've never seen a play, you'll never write a play in your life. I really want you to give this a try this week and this semester in general, um, because I think because it demands such different things from fiction. It's a really helpful skill to learn. And I know a couple of you mentioned being interested maybe in screenwriting, and playwriting is a little bit like that, but has some slight differences you'll see this week as you're reading the chapter in imaginative writing. Um, there's some things that are a little particular to drama and in particular, which I would like you to try out. Okay, and then next week we're going to go to poetry. So we're getting from fiction to playwriting, which is a little bit more concentrated than poetry next week, which is really concentrated. After that, you'll see we'll start to layer in some more specific skills as we go, different things you can use in these different kinds of forms. And after these couple of weeks, it's often going to be your choice whether you want to write a, a fiction story, a poem, a short play, or a scene from a play. Um, and so you'll often have the choice of which you want to do. But in these 3 weeks where we're doing fiction, playwriting, and poetry, I'm asking everybody to give that form a try. So this week is about playwriting. So you're going to read a short play in the reader called "The Sound of a Voice," which is kind of serious, kind of intense, um, beautifully written, I think. And I also chose it because though it's a short play, it really has a kind of major and intense dramatic arc, beginning, middle, and end. And then you'll have a discussion post based on that. Again, same kind of spirit of thinking how can you use this for your own writing? And I've got a specific question for you, a couple of questions actually for you to think about and talk about in the discussion post. And then your writing exercise this week is uh, to write some drama yourself, and you'll see the exercise there. I'm asking you to write two very short plays, but really whole plays with a beginning, middle, and end. And then also keep using your reading journals. I hope you're finding getting into that habit. I know it can be hard to get into that habit, but I really want you to try to use it every day. So even just a little bit, as much as you can. So keep keep up with that habit. I'll ask you to post that again in week three. All right, I really can't wait to see what you all come up with. Um, any questions? I'm available. Let me know. Bye.